Hey, it's James the Forager here, and today we've got one for our boozy foragers. A very quick, slight cheats way to make an elderberry port. First, we'll head out to pick our elderberries. We want the most ripe, succulent bunches. They tend to make the branches droop when they're perfectly ripe. To help identify elderberry from blackthorn, I've made a little ID video for that as well. You can head over to. We've now got our elderberries and ready to get porting. I'm going to remove the berries from the stalks. The easiest way I found of doing this is by running the fork up through the stalks. It removes the berries and the stalks. So I'm aiming for about 300 grams of just the berries. I'm going to pop those berries into a wide top jar. You can pop it straight into a bottle, but I'm using a jar today. And I'm going to top that up with 750 ml of port. Any port will do because we're reflavouring it, so why pay for a different flavour? Leave the whole lot in there for about a month, and I'm going to shake it as much as possible, ideally every day. That's it. Pour it all through a sieve, remove the berries, then boil and enjoy. There we have it. As simple as that. Elderberry port. It's unbelievably delicious and is perfect for an evening with cheese, crackers, and of course, wild pickles. Enjoy and happy foraging!